Welcome to AliExpress. AliExpress is really popular. It's one of the largest online marketplaces in the world, offering a vast array of products at competitive prices. People all over the world love it. From the United States to Europe, Asia to Africa, millions of satisfied customers enjoy shopping on AliExpress every day. You can find almost anything on AliExpress. Whether you're looking for the latest fashion trends, unique gadgets, or everyday household items, it's all here. They have clothes, toys, and so much more. You can shop for your entire family, from kids' toys to adult fashion. Electronics, home appliances, and even the latest tech gadgets are just a click away. The variety is truly impressive. It's like a giant online store. With countless categories and millions of products, you'll never run out of options. Millions of people shop on AliExpress every day. The platform is bustling with activity, ensuring you always find what you need. That's a lot of shopping. The convenience of having everything delivered to your doorstep is unbeatable. Sometimes you might need a little help while you shop. Navigating such a vast marketplace can be overwhelming. That's where customer support comes in. AliExpress offers excellent customer service to assist you with any questions or issues you might have, ensuring a smooth shopping experience. Customer support is super important on AliExpress. Whether you're a new user or a seasoned shopper, having reliable support can make all the difference in your shopping experience. It's like having a friend to help you with your shopping. Imagine having someone by your side, guiding you through every step, ensuring you find exactly what you're looking for. If you have a question or a problem, customer support is there for you. They are available around the clock to assist with any inquiries or issues you might encounter. They want to make sure you have a good experience. Their goal is to ensure that every interaction leaves you satisfied and confident in your purchases. Customer support can answer your questions about products. Whether it's about specifications, availability, or shipping details, they have the information you need. They can also help if you have a problem with an order. From tracking your shipment to resolving any issues with delivery, they are there to ensure everything goes smoothly. You can talk to them by chat or email. It's easy and fast. No matter where you are or what time it is, help is just a click away, making your shopping experience seamless and enjoyable. Talking to customer support is super easy. Whether you have a question about an order, need help with a product, or just want some general information, AliExpress has got you covered. First, go to the AliExpress website. You can do this by typing www.aliexpress.com into your web browser's address bar and hitting enter. Log into your account by clicking on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email and password, then click Sign In again. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. You can create one for free. Just click on the Join button, fill out the registration form with your details, and you'll be ready to go in no time. It's quick and simple. Once you're logged in, look for the Customer Support section. This is where you'll find all the help you need. It's usually at the top or bottom of the page, so keep an eye out for it. The support section is designed to be easily accessible. Click on it and you'll see different ways to contact them. You can choose from various options like live chat, email, or even phone support. To chat with someone, click on the Chat Now button. This is the fastest way to get in touch with a representative. A chat window will pop up, and you can start typing your question. Be as detailed as possible to get the best help. A friendly customer support agent will be there to help you right away. They are trained to assist with a wide range of issues, so don't hesitate to ask anything you need. Section 4, AliExpress by the numbers. AliExpress is a global marketplace. Over 200 million people shop on AliExpress every year. That's like the entire population of Brazil shopping on one website. AliExpress ships to over 200 countries and regions worldwide. They offer products in over 20 different languages. That means you can shop on AliExpress from almost anywhere in the world. Section 5. Don't be shy, get help. See? Getting help on AliExpress is easy peasy. Customer support is always there to help. Don't be afraid to reach out if you need anything. They're your shopping buddies. Happy shopping on AliExpress.